Need a joint-friendly sweat session? In the next 20 minutes, you're going to work every major muscle group. No jumping, no complicated choreography, maximum burn. Let's go. Welcome to this 20-minute low-impact HIIT sweat session. This workout is beginner-friendly, all levels, and designed to help you build fitness without jumping. We'll work for 45 seconds, rest for 15 seconds, and take 30 seconds between circuits. We'll repeat the full circuit 3 times. If you need more support, reduce your range of motion, slow your pace, or use a wall for balance. Keep your movements controlled, keep your core engaged, and stop if anything feels painful. Let's get started. Squat to overhead reach. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Sit your hips back into a squat, then stand up and reach overhead. Keep your chest lifted, knees tracking over toes, and your core supported. If needed, make the squat smaller and keep the reach low. Move with control. Exhale as you stand. Keep going. Strong posture, steady pace. Rest 15 seconds. Great work. Reset your stance, shake out your legs, and get ready for step touch. Skaters. Step side to side into a skater pattern and lightly touch the ground or hover the fingertips close to the floor. Keep your chest lifted, hips back, and your landing soft. This is a low-impact version, so stay smooth and controlled. Push from one leg to the other and use your arms to help with balance. Stay steady, light touch, strong legs, controlled movement. Nice work. Take your 15 seconds and prepare for side-to-side power punches. Side-to-side power punches. Step side to side and punch across your body as you move. Keep the punches strong, but the motion smooth and controlled. Stay tall through your torso. Keep your shoulders relaxed and let your core help guide the movement. Punch from side to side with intention. Strong arms, quiet shoulders, steady breathing. Keep moving. Focus on control and rhythm. Recover here, then we move into alternating glute kickbacks. Alternating glute kickbacks. Stand tall and kick one heel back towards your glute, then switch sides. Keep your hips square, your torso upright, and your core engaged. This should feel controlled, not rushed. Squeeze the glutes at the top. A small range is fine. Clean reps matter most. Excellent. Reset, breathe, and prepare for alternating step-back lunges. Alternating step-back lunge. Step one leg back, Lower with control, then press through the front foot to return. Keep your front knee aligned over your foot, chest lifted, and your weight balanced. Use a shorter step if you need more stability. Move smoothly. Think control, balance, and posture. Nice job. Take this short recovery and get ready for the air squat hold. Air squat hold. Lower into a squat and hold. Keep your chest lifted, weight in your heels, and knees aligned. If needed, come up slightly higher or pulse gently. Focus on steady breathing and strong posture. This is an isometric hold, so stay present and stay tall through the torso. You've got this. Great work. Take your longer rest, walk around if needed, sip water, and reset for round 2. Round 2. Same format, better control. Keep your breathing steady and your form sharp. Squat to overhead reach. Repeat the same pattern. Sit back, stand tall, and reach up. Keep your knees tracking, your core engaged, and your range comfortable. Smooth reps, strong posture. Reset and recover. Skaters. Move side to side in your skater pattern. Touch the floor lightly or keep the hand just above the ground. Keep your landing quiet, your torso stable, and your hips back. This is about control, not speed. "15 seconds, rest." Nice. Prepare for punches. Side to side power punches. Step and punch across from side to side. Keep the movement sharp but controlled. Think long spine, soft shoulders, and stable core. Strong finish. 15 seconds. Rest, recover, and breathe. Alternating glute kickbacks. Kick back and squeeze. Keep your standing legs strong and your torso stable. Control the leg return. No swinging, just clean movement. Great. Step back lunges next. Alternating step back lunge. Step back, lower, press up. Keep the front foot grounded and the core firm. Use your balance first, then your range. Every rep should feel stable. You're doing well. Final hold coming up. Air squat hold. Hold the squat. Stay lifted through the chest and steady through the breath. If you need a modification, rise a little higher. Stay consistent all the way through. Excellent. One round left. Take your full recovery and set up for the final circuit. If this workout is helping you, subscribe for more beginner-friendly coached sessions. That support helps me keep making simple, clear workouts like this. Final round. Stay focused, keep your form clean, and finish strong. Squat to overhead reach. Last time through this pattern. Lift, sit back, stand tall, reach overhead. Keep your breathing smooth and your posture strong. Quality over speed. "15 seconds rest." Good. Recover. Skaters. Side to side. Soft landing. Light touch on the ground. Keep your chest up and your movement controlled. Stay with me. You're building coordination and lower body endurance. Prepare for punches. Side-to-side power punches. Step and punch. Keep the movement sharp, but stay relaxed through your shoulders. Let your core help guide the rotation. Strong finish, steady pace. Nice work. Reset. Alternating glute kickbacks. Kick back with control and squeeze. Keep your hips level and your torso quiet. Move with precision. This is the final push. Fifteen seconds rest. Great. Lunges next. Alternating step back lunge. Step back one last time. Lower with control and drive up to the front leg. Keep your chest proud and your core active. You're in the final minutes now. Fifteen seconds rest. Final movement coming up. Air squat hold. Hold and breathe. Keep your heels grounded, chest lifted and knees aligned. Stay steady, you are finishing strong. Great work today. Take a few minutes to cool down. Walk and breathe until your heart rate settles. Repeat this workout 2 to 3 times per week if you want to build consistency and confidence. If you enjoyed this session, subscribe, like the video, and comment "done" so I know you finished it. Thanks for working out with me today. See you in the next one.
Get strong, subscribe, and watch this next workout.